In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section on desktop only in Shopify. Whether you're trying to simplify the browsing experience for your desktop users, or you have desktop-specific content that you'd like to temporarily conceal, this simple guide will take you through the process step by step. So, let's jump right in without further ado. First, we're going to navigate to your Shopify admin panel and head directly over to your online store theme. This is the place where all your customization magic happens. Now, you might be wondering how to get there. Well, once you're in your Shopify admin, just look over to the left-hand side of your screen, and there you'll see the Online Store option. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a new layer of options where you can see the Themes section. Click on Customize to access your theme editor. Now that you're in the theme editor, you'll be able to see a preview of your storefront, much like what your visitors see when they come to your site. Along the left-hand side, you'll find a list that contains all the sections available on your website, making it easy to identify the one you wish to hide. Next, slowly hover your cursor over the list of sections on the left sidebar until you spot the particular section you want to hide from desktop users. This is where you need to pay close attention. As you hover over each section, you will notice that there are options and details appearing that relate to the section you currently have your cursor over. It might be helpful at this point to have a clear idea of which sections are essential for mobile but not necessary for desktop. This way, you'll know exactly what needs to be hidden. Once you've firmly identified that section, look for the small eye icon located near it. This icon is going to be your best friend. It serves as a toggle button for visibility. When you click on the eye icon, it effectively hides the section from view on the desktop version of your site. It's as simple as that. This handy feature is great if you are looking to implement a change without permanently deleting anything from your site. With the section now hidden, there's just one more necessary step to wrap things up. Make sure you save your changes. You'll find the Save button at the upper right corner of your screen in the theme editor. Click on that, and you're done. That's it. In just a few small steps, you've successfully hidden a section on the desktop version of your Shopify store. Remember, this change is reversible. If you decide later that you want the section visible again, you can simply return to the same place and click the eye icon once more to make it reappear. This flexibility allows you to tweak your online store as needed and helps make managing your digital space much easier. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.